USSD-request regexp editor. USSD editor allows not only to send USSD requests and receive answers from your mobile operator, but also to pass necessary for you information, for example balance, bonus, minutes, etc. Firstly, press config button and then choose USSD editor. In a pair window, click the right mouse button and select Add. First you need to give the name of your USSD request. Then enter the USSD according to the rules of your mobile operator. For the fully featured usage of a USSD editor, it is not enough just to send some USSD request. You also have to check whether it's been successful and read off the data you need. For that purpose, there is a regexp editor in our service. If you don't need to check the successful of your request, you can remove the checkmark near the success field. After that, go to the regexp editor window by clicking the Edit button. For the beginning, you have to send the test USSD request, receive the response to it, and create a regexp in a similar way like we're doing it right now. First, you need to input the USSD request itself in this field according to the rules of your mobile network carrier. Choose the tariff you're going to send a USSD request with. Choose the active SIM card of this tariff and click the Send USSD button in order to send a USSD request from it. In this field, we receive the response. By clicking the Export to Editor button, export it to the editor where you'll be able to make certain actions with it. Here we can see a couple of buttons for working with a USSD response. If you are good at working with regular expressions, you can also create more complicated constructions using this button. For instance, you will receive the response to a balance check USSD request. That's the way it looks in our case. In the received response, highlight the numbers of the balance and click the balance button. As a result, the USSD request became a construction that you can see over here. After that, every time when the SIM card balance gets checked, the actual balance will be displayed in the SIM card balance field. You can also read off the group balance for several SIM cards or the phone number or the quantity of bonus minutes left. If there is an advertisement in the USSD responses, highlight the text of it and click the Text button. Here the construction that we receive as a result of our actions. Then test the correctness of the created regular expression in the regexp test field. At the moment when we create a regular expression for a definite USSD request, it simultaneously copies itself into the regexp test field. When we click the Send Test button, we can see that we receive the response with the actual SIM card balance. For instance, when we receive a similar message and parse it with this regular expression, we'll get a response like that. As we can see, the regular expression has been created correctly. Save it then. Also, you need to choose action, which will be executed after the successful USSD parsing. Press Edit here. Select in the module line SIM, then Update and Balance. Below you should click on the Variables button and select their SIM balance. Save changes and USSD is ready for work.